Hello everyone. Sorry, my name's Frank. Just want to let y'all know that I received my hair system from Lordhair, and let me tell you, it's amazing. It's what I have on right now. Look how full it is. Well, before I get into the hair system, let you know how it feels and everything, I want to let y'all know how it came about. Lordhair. This is my third hair system from a third different company. This is the first one, which doesn't even compare to the one I have on. The one I have on right now, it's so thick compared to this. And all the other companies will tell you the same thing. But look at the density on this. You can't even tell that it's a wig. The way I came about finding out about Lordhair was my buddy off YouTube. His name's Chris from South Carolina. I guess his new YouTube channel is Hip to Pay. But if it wasn't for him, I would have never known about Lordhair, and I'm glad he convinced me to try Lordhair because, man, when I took it out of the box, it was unbelievable. I could tell the difference right away, and I couldn't wait to put it on. I didn't get it cut by Lordhair. My son cut it, so I think he did a good job, but overall, I mean, I can't even tell what's on my head. And I'm from Texas, so it's really hot over here, and I was having a lot of problems with the other hair system, but with this one, it breathes. It's so light. I can't even tell. The density though, it makes it's so phenomenal. It doesn't have no weight to it. Not only that, the price comparison to the other ones, I think my first one I paid like $600. And of course I paid it because I was excited. You know, I've been bald all my life, so I've been wanting to try something. But I never had the chance because I was in the military, so I waited till I retired. So then after that, I heard about this other system, and I tried them, but that one was like $299, which was half the price. So I said, well, I'm gonna try that one. I won't say their names because they were good at the time when I tried them because I didn't know better. But then when I ran into my buddy Chris on YouTube, he told me about Lordhair, so I said, I'll give it a try. You know, for the price, I couldn't beat it. I paid $178. That's with shipping and everything. And it's way better, 100% better than any of the other products I've ever used. And, you know, they're not paying me to do this or anything. I just want to let people out there know that, because nobody ever told me. So I'm going to let y'all know that if you're going to try Lordhair, that's the way to go. I've already tried 2 other companies, and let me tell you, this is the best one overall. Not only that, their customer service is unbelievable. When I first got online with the lady, I must have been on the phone with her like an hour, and she had no issues with me, you know, asking her all these questions, and she was just polite, patient. So I was on the phone with her at least an hour and 10 minutes, and the process was so smooth. Let me tell you, it's the best customer service I've ever experienced. And I'm not just saying that, but you can tell by yourself. Look at my hair. The hairline, everything looks great. So, I mean, I don't know what else much to say except that, you know, I'm not a guy to lie. I'm big on integrity. So I would say to try out Lordhair. I keep looking down because I have a couple of notes I wrote down there. I didn't want to forget and let y'all know. Also, their promptness. I mean, I ordered it, and like within 10 days, I had it shipped to my house, and that's from China. You know, I would recommend this hair system to anybody. So, I mean, there's not much more I can say except that it's phenomenal, you know. Like I said, look at this one. Look at the density. Look how thin it is. You can see through it. And that's from my second company. The first one, I threw it away. But look at this one. It's so full and it looks outstanding. So overall, I give it a 10 because, look, 1, their customer service was great. 2, the main thing, it's awesome. They ship to you in prompt time. And not only that, after I received it, I kept asking questions, and they still continue to give me great customer service. So I just wanted to put this out there and let y'all know that if you're going to try a hair system, go to Lordhair and stop wasting your money with somebody else, because they're all going to tell you the same. What I would do is look at the reviews, and I guarantee you you're going to choose Lordhair. And I guarantee you their customer service, you won't regret it. They're patient. They're willing to work with you, help you through the order process. I'd recommend it to anybody, and I can't thank Chris enough for leading me to the Lordhair. So other than that, you know, I hope y'all like it. I know it's not a long video, but there's not much more to say. I'm not going to sit here and lie. Look, it's a great product. Don't waste your time and trying other companies and stop going bald. I can't even tell I'm bald. You know, I've been bald since I was 24, and I wish I would have known that there were systems like this out there, which I doubt those 20 years ago. But again, I would just say go to Lordhair, and they'll be willing to work with you. I thank you for hearing my video, and I wish you luck and enjoy your new hair. Thank you and have a blessed day.